I somehow broke the aileron servo on my T1 Ranger. I got a replacement here from Hewing. For the T1 Ranger, if you want to get a replacement, this is the type of connector that you need to choose from the website. And let's see if we can change it by just removing these connectors out rather than, well, prying this glue part. Oh yes, you can. So this is really easy. Yeah, awesome. I almost pry this thing open just so there's gap here before looking into this. Now I'm going to figure out which wire is it. Yeah, it's the middle connector. So this is where a tweezer comes handy. Yeah, so I can see M, S and LED over here. So this is the servo one. I'm gonna pull it out. How is this servo secured? Let's check if there's any glue here. Nope. Yeah, it seems like there's a small dab of glue here. Maybe I can really pry this out. There are glue on both corners here. One teeth is broken. I wonder how that happened. It wasn't during flight, but rather during transportation. It's better than cracking this in flight and crashing the plane. So since it's using this connector, I have no way to center the servo first. So I'm gonna put it on here, route the wire back in, and power it up by connecting the wing back. Then we center the servo, and then install everything back before we glue the servo permanently. Tuck in this wire properly so don't obstruct the airflow. Careful not to damage the wire. Slot this back in. So you need to tuck the wires under so that the 3 connectors here will be able to slot into the space at the back. And then screw this in. Screw it. Alright, so it snaps back in with ease. That's the aileron servo lid. Oops. So we got light as well because we have this RGB light controller from Hewing as well. It's also function controlling the timing and strobe. Let's try the servo. Then we're gonna center it first. Installing the control horn, just use the same one from the previous servo. Yeah, I think it's more towards the leading edge. Screw it back and we are done. Oh, screw it back and we are done. Wipe off any oil from the surface of the servo first. And we're going to apply glue on both sides here and also here. So whenever you want to remove the servo again, I'll just be able to slice the glue from the side. Apply a bit of glue at the gap as well. And clip this back on. We are done. Now both my ailerons are back online now. Yeah. So if you find this video helpful, if you like this video, please like and subscribe or share it to your friend. And I'll see you next video. Bye.